Hubby just got home and he got me something. He got me something, right, Roxy? Hi, you guys. It's late. It's 2:30. My dog is very noisy already. I just let them out, but it's already barking. Oh, God. You want some lovey-dovey all the time. It's amazing. It's like... Look, look, look. So crazy. Oh my God. She's on my lap. My God, this cat. Okay, I'm gonna go get the dog because they've been barking. I'm sorry, Hubsy boy. Roxy! 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 I don't know, Hubs, if you're in pain or what. We don't understand, okay? Okay, we don't understand. If you are in pain or why you're being very clingy. What is wrong, my little boy, huh? She looks so big every time she lie down that way. But look, she just like hung in the couch. The dog is over there. I'm just reading all the mail, guys, like the papers that we got today. Hi, Dimples. I know they're annoying, right? Dimples. Dimples. You're such a really big like that. I know you're a big cat, but you're bigger than like that. Yes, you are. And you're very clean. You guys are the cleanest cat. Yes, you are clean. You are clean. What are you doing? Get down, Roxy. Get down. Roxy. No. Open your mouth. Bad. She walked away. You're bad. She's trying to bite your food, Dimples. Hi. The face. Hi. Hi, Dimples. Hi. I am editing a video right now and I bumped into the comment. I went into the comment section and yeah, this comments from Mario Padilla. Hi Mario, thank you for watching. And also I would like to say thank you to Ids Z. She is, or he, I think it's Ids, it's she's one of my viewers. She said from California. Hi sis. You guys, I was so nervous. Oh my God, you don't have any idea. I was so nervous. I let the dog out. So I went outside and go with them. When they turn around in the other side, so I went follow them. So I checked the gate. When I checked the gate was closed. So I came back in here. When I came back in here, so I'm thinking I'm gonna wash their dish because it's time for their dinner. So okay, I feed the cats, do that like that, and then suddenly I don't hear barking, nothing. So I went outside, so I saw Misty in the door waiting for me, and I said, where is your sister, where is Roxy? And what happened is I went outside and looked for Roxy. I said, Roxy, where are you? Like that. So and then I like that, called them that way. And then I look over there, there's no Roxy. I don't even lock the gate yet, but there's no Roxy. I said, oh my God, I freaked out, guys, because, and then I said, Roxy, and then I keep yelling Roxy, and then I said the gate is open, and then it doesn't even open go there, like wherever it go. If ever they stand the gate, like push the gate, if the dog push the gate, that doesn't even open that way, it's open this way. So that means somebody open in the other side, somebody intentionally open the gate, that if they're pissed that the dog keep barking, they don't like the dog keep barking, you know, maybe one of our neighbor here, they open the gate, and then Roxy is outside running, guys, and there's a lot of cars in front of the house. So I went over there and I'm bitching, guys, like, oh my god, I said, who the open this gate like this, like that, and then like, and then I said, Roxy, I keep yelling because my god, I like my heart, guys, is like pumping so hard, like I'm so, oh my god, you don't have any idea. I'm gonna have a heart attack of like thinking what's happening to her, and then I don't know. I look in the back, maybe she jumped in the fence, you know, like that. Is obviously doesn't is jump in the fence because the gate is open. So I kept Roxy, Roxy, and then Roxy ran back towards me, like going back to the gate. I said, oh my god, Roxy, thank goodness you just like hear my voice and then you come back, because she is already out, guys. She's already outside of the gate, like running around somewhere. Oh my god, it's just, oh my god, I'm so nervous. I told my mother-in-law, and just like I freak out, like, oh my, don't have any idea, guys. One of our neighbor did that. I don't know how one of our neighbor did that. It just pissed me off. Look who's in here again, guys. And then Roxy, can you just please, you just been kissing him. Hey, you just been kissing him. Roxy, get down. Roxy. Ay, ay, ay. So he's already also, oh god. Okay, Hubs. It's like relaxing, nothing to do today. Today. Oh my god, guys. I just been watching this in YouTube, the emotional, the Got Talent. Emotional, the compilation of the emotional, how do you call that? Emotional, you know, like people who sang in the stage and everybody get emotional, especially the judges. Oh my god, it's give me teary eyes, and it's just really really amazing. And I want to just put this in there, guys, that you know, somebody and I can't, you know, I have two Facebook account, okay. My other Facebook account, which is private, it's like, you know, family and, you know, private, and I make another one for my viewers, for you guys, so view my thing, who yeah, like you guys want to, you know, be friend on me on Facebook. The same thing with the private thing for the other people, and also for that Facebook page for YouTubers, like for YouTube group. And it's the same thing. I'm, you know, I mostly posted a video or a picture. I'm not kind of the person that always post pictures or videos in Facebook. And before, yes, I do, but slowly I just get rid of, like, you know, I stopped doing that. So I'm sorry, guys, if you requested or you asked my Facebook account. I'm really sorry, but I really do appreciate all of you guys that really want to be friends with me. I really, from the bottom of my heart, I do really appreciate and happy that you guys want to be friends with me. You know, we can talk, chat in my Facebook page. We can do that. I talk to you, some of you guys, on my Facebook page there. So yeah, we can do that, like the private thing. Just like what I said, my Facebook page from YouTube, for YouTube, is where I always at. Like, I'm always there. So move, Roxy. I can't go. You have to move. You guys get down. Get down, please. This cat too. You wanna stop? Okay. You wanna go there? Good boy. Good boy. Stay. Come here. No biting, Roxy. Come here, Missy. Up. Up, Missy. Oh, look at this. I love everything. What are you doing? Hey, why you're up there? Look at these guys. you are such a scotch. Javi just got home and he got me something. He got me something, right, Roxy? He got me something. Right? What is this, guys? Can you read that? Can you read that? Yes. He got me, I'll show you. He got me a bread, pandesal, two bags, and also he got me a ensaymada. Ensaymada 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 bun inside. So I have something to bring in the house.